Google Tag Manager is one of the best tools that digital marketing can use for their conversion tracking. But if it's used incorrectly, it can actually have a severe impact on your website speed and therefore destroy your conversion rate. So let me show you the problems that GTM can cause and the quick fix on what you can do right now in order to fix it. So because I work in digital marketing, I see a lot of Google Tag Manager accounts, and this is what you usually will see. So as you can see, like, everything looks normal. You have a lot of different tags for tracking, etc. Before I will push these tags, so I just created them, they are in a draft, so they are not pushed yet. I prepared a quick overview of the website speed. So here is the website speed of my website where we will implement these tags right now. So it's 77 points, which is pretty good. If you want to have the same or better, I have a video on the website speed right here. Go watch it. But now let's see what impact these tags will have on my speed. So now when the tags are submitted, let's go ahead and redo our speed test. So let's reopen the website in incognito. Let's go to inspect. Let's go to the lighthouse and redo the test for the mobile. Just by posting these tags, my website speed dropped by the 8 points, which is not great by any means. It's more than 10% drop just because you added some tracking code. And you will tell me, like, what I can do. I have to have the tracking code. Absolutely, you have to. But let me show you what you can do in order to fix that. So as you know, the first few seconds of the website loading are the most important. So here I open the waterfall, and here you can see when everything starts to load. So what we need to ensure is that within the first 3 seconds, the user receives the optimal experience. After that, we will start loading our tags. What we will do in the tag manager is that we will change our firing trigger from all pages to a timer, and let's see what it will do to our speed. In order to create this trigger, let's go to the triggering. Let's create a new trigger, and our trigger will be based on the timer in here. And for the timer, the interval is where we need to specify the number that we would like the tag to load. Usually it's 3 seconds. This is what I would recommend to start with. And by using quick calculations in Google, we can see that 3 seconds equals 3000 milliseconds. So let's go back and let's input it here. Now, really important thing is to input the limit. If you won't do that, your tag will fire over and over again and therefore kill your speed. So here we do 1. So once you add the limit, let's rename it to the 3 seconds. And next you need to choose your condition, and the condition you will use is the most basic. You will use the page URL contains and just the slash, so it will fire by default on all of the pages. You can fire it just on some specific page if you want to as well. And now let's click save. Now we will just change all of our triggers for all of the tags that we have from all pages to this timer, and click save. So now when I change all of them, I will republish everything. So I will go to submit, and it will be a test 2, let's say, and republish it. Now when that is done, let's go ahead and retest our website speed. Just like that, we were able to bring our speed from 77 to 78 points. So we've increased our website speed even after we added all of this tag. The only thing that you need to be aware of is that sometimes it will not work great with your conversion tracking. So if you have a conversion tracking tag that should fire manually when someone reaches on the thank you page or some event happens, chances are you don't want to have a timer there, because there is a possibility that the user will leave before the tag will have the time to fire. So for these conversion actions, you might want to have it on the all pages or even on the DOM. If you would like to improve your speed even further, watch my video about speed optimization, and I hope you will find more content that is valuable to you on my channel. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye.